Hello, this is the session Understanding Legal Professional Privilege, a webinar today presented by myself, Bavisha Mistry. Just a little bit about myself before I start on the substantive topic of legal professional privilege. I started off my legal career in private practice and then moved into industry. Where I was former general counsel at a number of companies, including Misguided, Maudsleys, and the Fragrance Shops. I also worked with the Law Society of England and Wales as their chair of the in-house division network. And why this is important is because legal professional privilege does appear, and it's very relevant to an in-house lawyer's role. And it's really important that as an in-house lawyer, you understand what legal professional privilege is and when it applies, because in the role as an in-house lawyer, you can be both a business advisor and a legal advisor, and legal professional privilege principally applies to legal communications, legal advice, not to the business advice. And it's important that you distinguish between the two and separate communications out, which we'll go into in more detail later in this webinar. Just for completeness, I now offer services of a general counsel to a number of clients under my brand Commercial Counsel. And again, in this capacity, it's important that communications with clients are assessed and that nothing is inadvertently waived, especially because of the business nature of advice being given. So as a commercial lawyer, you really need to think about, when do I need to assert privilege and what protections do I need to put in place? Yes, you might be giving advice generally to companies, but some of that could be business advice, and that isn't protected by legal professional privilege. So, what is legal professional privilege? We'll go through that in this webinar. Legal professional privilege provides a useful tool allowing lawyers and their clients to have open, frank communications regarding legal matters, safe in the knowledge that they will be free from disclosure to third parties and courts. It essentially prevents disclosure of certain confidential information. It's useful both in the context of disclosure during litigation and also when dealing with other things like requests by public authorities such as the police.